Good morning, Daily Journal. It's Thursday, December 19th. The time is currently 8:20. Let's go. Today I woke up at 7:40. All right. I got up at 7:40. I was up like, yeah, no. Actually, I got up at 7:40. All right. I didn't get to hydrate because I left my stand in the vehicle. So I didn't get to drink water really. But I did wake up, didn't get to write down my goals or read, but I stretched. All right. Yeah, so really did only one thing in my morning routine because when it was time for me to read and write down my goals, I had to go do the things that humans do. And as always, takes a little bit. And so that's why I was late on here. But anyway, we digress. All right. So got to my desk. Literally just got to my desk at like what's the time? 8:18, I'll say, or 8:9, 8, yeah, 8:18. All right. As always, my weekly target is 5%, and my daily target is moving forward starting next year, okay, will be 150 a day, okay? Daily target 150. All right, mental check-in, feeling pretty good, really excited. Cannot wait to share yesterday's trade results. Not the result, yeah, the outcome of yesterday's trade that we were tape reading with you guys. And so because of that, I'm pretty much excited and buzzing, all right? Excited to see what price action has in store for us today. All right, it was a good FOMC um price action, right? It was amazing. As always, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game. All right, let's get into it. Today we have news coming out, high impact news coming out 8:30 and 10. All right. Okay, so we got news so we can proceed to determine our risk. All right. I did take a losing, well, I didn't trade actually. Well, yeah, I did take a losing trade on my demo. Did I? Yes, I did. On the hit TP1 and then the fade to hit TP2. I don't pretty much remember, but risk is staying the same regardless of what happened yesterday because we are at our lowest. All right. So condition, my weekly condition this week is a buy program. Okay, I'm expecting the weekly expansion higher to the upside, even though it doesn't look like that's about to happen. But hey, I'm in a buy program. Let's go ahead and see if anything's happened overnight. Okay, to change that for me. All right, let's go ahead and get into dollar. Whoa, hey, dollar expanded higher, took that buy side, our drawn liquidity there. Okay, that we wanted to see dollar take. All right. So it shot up and NQ shot the frick down. All right. So our next drawn liquidity here is the daily CB up in here. Okay. After taking buy side, this is our next drawn liquidity. All right. So dollar higher, meaning NQ should be coming lower. All right. So nice. So this, as you see, this VISI, right? The candle bodies were telling you the story like I was saying yesterday, all right? They were closing above consequent encouragement of the VISI. The wicks do the damages, the bodies tell the story. So the bodies were telling me yesterday that they had higher to go, like I was saying. Took out the relative equal highs, took this high and took eventually hit our draw on liquidity there. Okay, so good to see that. Good to see that. Good to see that. We use that volume imbalance. Sure. Okay, so while dollar shot up, NQ shot down. All right, so let's go ahead and see NQ. Woo wee! You see that? And we got in at the tippity top. All right, let me not get too excited. But anyway, dollar NQ traced and filled in the weekly inefficiency here. Okay, the busy, all right, completely filled it in there. All right, came into this in daily busy, nested inside of the weekly busy, a little bit outside of it, and we have this daily order block in here. Did it come? Yeah, it came to the high of it. Right there. All right. So we can go ahead and delete this now. Okay, so now we're seeing a bit of a retracement. All right, we're way below the new week's open price, Sunday's open price. All right, so now I'm at, now this is where my experience is not where it needs to be for me to judge whether come above high. All right, displacement below, market structure shift. I don't know. I'm still gonna stick with my weekly program because I'm not really that, experience to judge that this is turning around. Okay, it could be that it just came down to take liquidity, all right, to continue going higher. All right, so it's still bullish, all right. 60 days still looking bullish, all right, until we get a little flip. All right, maybe if we come below this low here, then potentially I'll be looking at sell program. But for now, I'm sticking to my high time frame, my weekly program, okay, which is a buy program. All right. So my pro trend trades going in today are buys and counter trend trades are selling. Let's go ahead and note our M15 buy side and sell side. Let's go ahead and note our buy side and sell side in the M15 time frame, and then we can go ahead and talk a little bit about yesterday's trade. All right, in the PM session. The PM session didn't really offer us much. But you guys see that though, right? You see that, right? You see that, right? You see that, right? Yeah, stop playing. All right, so above price, all right. Golly, way up there. Above price, we have yesterday's PM session high, lunch session high, AM session high, and previous daily high. Okay, and we also have Tuesdays and Wednesdays previous daily high above price. Should we get up there? I'll go ahead and extend them over. Sick price action, dog. So the trade was the 10 o'clock, 10:30, post 10:30 trade, right? And FOMC was a continuation of that. Below price, we have London sell side, okay, and we have PM session from yesterday, all right, and previous daily low from yesterday, all right. We have a clustering of new week opening gaps, so this could potentially be the draw, all right. We also have London, but London has been engaged, but I will be keeping an eye on it as well, okay. But that's our you can see the M15 set up here. Let me just go over it. But that's our buy side and sell side in the M15 time frame. Go about less than 3 minutes until that news. We take buy side here, displacement in the below, market structure shift, fair value gap, as you can see, comes in there and tanks. Sick dog, sick dog, sick dog. Incredible. All right, and we also had the M5 set up form. So you can see, all right, post 10:30 here, all right, we're already above buy side, a key high. Okay, and also we had PM session, all right, from the previous day high right here. Okay. We take that trade up to and through it, swing high, okay. No displacement down, all right. No fair value gap in that swing high. Then we have this swing high here. Can zoom in a little bit. There's lines in here because of the M1. Swing high here, displacement to the downside, takes market structure below the key high, it's the same line as this, and takes it below this key high as well. Fair value gap in that displacement leg, comes back up into it, bing bang bosh, comes back up into it here. I get above the key high, swing high here, displacement below, market structure shift back below this key high, fair value gap, second opportunity to get in. All right, and then 2 o'clock FOMC comes in, doesn't come back into that fair value gap, but it does before. 155 comes back into that fair value gap, okay, and then news comes out, ooh, tanks it, shits the bed. So that was the M5 set up there, post news, okay. So F1C was a continuation of that setup, all right. Let's go on to M1. M1 obviously gave you a better entry with risk, minimal risk. All right, this was the trade that we were tape reading, okay, live. All right, so you would have got to break even here. All right, and it doesn't come to take you out, doesn't come to take you out at all, and sends price. Woo! Oh, that in one day, boy, is crazy. Crazy. How many ticks is that? Like 2,000? Oh, 4,000 ticks. Golly, breaking banks out here, boy. But anyway, let's talk a little bit about it. News is coming out now. Let's get 5. Let's see it there. banging trade. We don't have any liquidity above price right now. That could be an influence or factor for me in price. So until we get opening range, buy side and sell side, all right, or unless we come back down to London session high and gives us a setup, then for now, there's really nothing for me to do. So let's go ahead and discuss this further. Bang out of a trade, dog. Bang. Sexy model to the T, boy. Analyst was screaming, but I'm happy and pleased I was able to realize this forming. I'm pleased, even though I wasn't in it. All right, I'm happy. It means that in the future, okay, I'll be able to identify it and hopefully execute. Okay, so woo, looking bright. Anyway, post news, this obviously I don't ignore it, all right, but I learned from it. I'm not gonna ignore it because I did do it, all right. I took a trade here prior to the news, all right, which broke a rule. Okay. Even if I was testing, I should have tested on well by just looking. I should have just taped read it instead of actually getting into the market there. But anyway, that's why I didn't get into this trade because I already like broke a rule here. So I was like, you know what? Just chill, take read. There's no, don't need to be in every trade, right? Even if it pans out, it doesn't pan out, at least you can identify the model, all right, and be able to see it happen in real time. But anyway, this was the previous daily high, I mean, PM session high from yesterday, okay, is in line with opening price, midnight opening price, which is weird a little bit, but hey. So yeah, post news, all right. We trade up to a key high, all right. That means we're anticipating a sell following the process here. So post news, a key high is traded to, all right, anticipating a sell. Key high traded up to and through. Yep, all right. Swing high with displacement to the downside. We get a swing high with a displacement to the downside, market structure shift, fair value gap. We also have another fair value gap in here. This is where my entry was at actually. Okay, all right, comes in there. All right, doesn't even come close to your stop. Bing bang bosh, gives you another setup here. All right, this other setup. We take buy side, comes back above the key high, takes buy side above it, swing high, displacement below, taking market structure shift right here. This is the thing that's labeled on the M5 time frame because when I'm on my phone, I use this chart, this middle chart. And that's what I did that on. So all right, we take this sell side here. All right, fair value gap in here, -1, you would have been tagged in that. All right, and even that still doesn't even come close to your stop. Stop will go above the swing. All right, and beautiful, 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 sexy, sexy, sexy trade. Sexy. Even here, the lunch PM, 1:30 PM comes above key high here. Okay, opening range session high. Swing high, we take liquidity above here. Swing high, displacement, market structure shift, multiple fair value gaps, comes back up into the highest fair value gap order block here. Right before FOMC, right? Comes back into here, FOMC comes back into this fair value gap here. And just tanks, boy. Tanks. Nothing, no setup really in the PM session. This probably would have tripped me up here. Key low here, swing low, displacement, market structure shift, back above the key low. All right, we got more fair value gaps. All right, but this, yeah, would have took a loss here. This probably not because there was no market structure shift. Yeah, this would definitely would have tripped me out, and it's after 2:15. Yeah. Oh no. So I wouldn't even begin in here because we had a 2:30 as well. Yeah, we had the 2:30. So that would have avoided this whole loss here. So cool. 2:30 is right here. 2:30 this. It's A minus setup. But would I be wanting to get an A minus setup after that huge ass drop that's going on? No. Test jubies, this would have been a fair loss for you guys, okay? Key low, swing low, take liquidity below it, swing low, displacement higher. Okay, fair value gap. All right, this would have been a fair loss for my test tubies. All right, it's an A minus setup. Okay, so you get A minus results, right? Well, that A minus is bad. But yeah, nothing really else pans out in the PM session. Just keeps sinking. Yeah, we take PM session here, but we haven't really taken it. 9:15, or I believe M5 also we haven't really taken it. Just the M1. Yeah, M5 is still there. That's what tells you that we have some more downside to go to. Okay, so that was the business yesterday. All right, let's get into today. Sexy trade, man. Sexy trade. I'm so happy that I was able to identify that. Ooh, wee. Beautiful stuff. You know what? Putin. Oh, he comes and takes you out first. All right. Like I said, really, not any liquidity here for me to be like waiting for price to go to until we get back up here. Then we have sell side down here and down here. So should really draw more sell side because we're in close proximity to sell side. Okay, both come in. Hey, for your life. Are you my friend? Are we locked in? Step this way. Step this way. Key low right there. Swing low. Displacement. Market structure shift. Fair value gap there. Banger, 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 banger. Let's see on the M1. Then step this way. Step this way. Not as clear about as it is on the M1, M5. Below that, we have Monday, 2nd of December, previous daily low. Okay, next low in price. The same day AM session low. I'll put it because I want to see something in terms of it there being a sell with a, and I can delete it off though. Also in line with London session low, I believe. Yep. Yep. And should we go any lower? Next low is Friday. It's November 29th low. Now with the same day's AM session low. Maybe the next low. We have the remainder of this gap here on field. Well, all of the gaps on field really, so high probability. Oh, it didn't do the same shit I did yesterday, did it? I leave after this to go to Sarah freaking Sota. One for your life. Hey, hey, hey. Got my laundry going there.
Kendall, were you feeling you had said yes or no? I know, or JJ, you and Alex going to be there for the meeting on Thursday night.
I was gonna say I can.
Okay, if you can, it's no big deal. I don't want to, Alex and JJ, are you guys going to be there for the meeting, or are you guys probably later that day? That's right, because she's got her. Okay, yep, perfect. Kendall, if you can, that's great. If you can, I'm not going to. But if so, it's kind of it'd be good for you guys to meet up with Kendall if she is able to make it up there too, and I'm sure they'll. But they would. Kendall's coming. I'll make sure. Yeah, you'll have to camera. Camera ready. Yeah, and the yeah. Good, and then just for them, they can introduce the FSR Academy as well. Someone there, so unfortunately, I won't be able to make it there. So if not, Kendall, I'm not forcing you to make it if you can. Great. So anyway, so that's kind of so again, you guys make sure you're biggest thing that also biggest thing is say taking notes. So yeah, different views, see, and there's something that you think is very should write it down. Okay? So I don't do it. And we take that. That's good. The biggest things that can cause you guys problems. Okay. So for me, expectations for the weekend, it's like for us, it's just to help you guys improve, okay, help you guys get better, and we're here for you guys. And this is a situation where, and as I've done these for a very long time, I find out the referees that we have for this penalty. There's either two things that happen. They either realize, wow, this is a lot of work, and I want to go to Saturday next summer, and I realize, man, this is a lot of things to do. And I don't know if I'm ready for that. Or you have referees once they come into referee academy, that they're texting me all the time, they're sending me video clips, they're asking about like, and that's what we want from referees is that you guys want to learn, you want to learn, right? But it's going to be okay at the level that you guys are at. If you get to this event, you go, boy, I thought I want to go to this level. That's a lot of work. That's okay. That's why we put these events on, so you're not wasting your time. You want to try and get these assessments, become a regional referee, and you find out, oh boy, that's a little more time consuming and something I want to do. All right. So what I want to do is the end things. I like the mentors. So let's start with Michael. Once you guys have a good advice and good JJ, then appreciate just kind of give a little bit of advice we can for them. Okay. And
Are you my friend? Are we locked in? 3 hours of a drive, dog. I hate long drives, man. Second, guys. Ah, that was high, man. We got texting him before. Should have read the damn text. Now I gotta find the email on here. Looking like it's gonna be a dry morning. After all the excitement yesterday. I always get this call. Always throws me off this call. Go ahead and brush my teeth and things. Start packing. This ain't nothing happening here. Pack with me for my trip to Sarasota. 670. Opening bell in about 4 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth and all them things there. BRB, guys. Nothing much here in price today. All right. It's a calm Thursday morning. It's a calm Thursday morning. Let's wait till 10 o'clock. All right. Post opening range. Hopefully we get some decent price action there. Okay. Hold the fort down. All right. Now I'll be back. act like I never left. Okay, decent size open range gap there. Okay, so we should see some good price action today. First presented fair value gap on a 1 minute time frame. the low price that we kept up. And o'clock high impact news coming out. Buy side and sell side confirmed on a 1 minute time frame there. Sell side, open range sell side in a 1 minute time frame taken there. About 3 more minutes until M5 is confirmed. London sell side is in the course errors. This was the setup here, but risk was crazy. Take liquidity back below. Swing high, displacement, market structure shift back below the key high, London session high, fair value gap, and a fair value gap here too. High is the same, but the low is different. All right. Confirmed on a 5 minute time frame. South side taken there. Where the bodies are closer. Busy in here. 560. Might not come all the way down to the M1 entry. Oh, it's the same as Price presented fair value gap, so we can leave that alone there. Yeah, it might not come all the way down to the M1 entry there, since we have an M5 set up. Should I move it down? I'll just take it down. Okay, it began tagged on the M5 time frame there. Time 10:21 maybe. Okay, looking like you might get tagged in that. London session high, spring high, displacement, market structure shift back below the high. Tagged in that trade at 10:22 there. Hope so. One of the charts. Okay, you would have been taken out there on the M5 at 150. Let's see if this swing low will take you out too. But that's 10:15. Key high there. Swing high. Market structure shift back below the key high. Fair value gap there. So we have a cell formation that just formed. Entry be up here, or should be TP1. So let's see. Interesting. Oh, we have a fair value gap here. That would be like 323. Take stop there. Nah, 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 nah. Don't like that. Don't like those ones. But we do have a cell formation that just formed. All right, 10:15. London session high right here. Swing high. Displacement. Market structure shift back below it. Come back into here. It's not looking too good for this trade because we've had the set off form there. Exactly where we have the sell in there. It's fine. I want to see this act as a inversion fair value gap. I like that. And act as a regular BC now to support price higher. Could have came into this CB here. I don't like that. And now it goes back below, right? Might act as a CB inversion fair value gap here. Yeah. Could have at least hit TP1, man. God damn. It's all good though. What's the risk here? 1500. Ooh. Ooh-wee. It's all good. This was the setup. 10-15. Key high. Taken out there at 10-27. Well, I think we go in 10-22. All right, so 5 minutes later, we're taking out that trade, but we see where the trade is at though. That was at 10 o'clock, 10-15. Key high. This is the key high, London session high here. Swing high, displacement, market structure shift back below the key high. Fair value gap, fair value gap. Or you would be taking out there too. All right, so let's, yeah, that's a fat L. I'll take it though. Let's keep that there. We're waiting for 10-15. Let's see what that one. We'll just have a look at the opportunity comes up stop. You know, 150 wouldn't even cover this one. 102 definitely would have been hit there. Yeah. Okay. All right. Don't like what the stock would have been though, but would have kept you in the trade. Two, be hopping a risk now. $150 would have kept you in. I wouldn't have covered this fair value gap. It would have kept you in the trade to 202. This guy didn't go, so this trade is still running. So like I said, the best setups seem to be the one that happened post 10:15. So I have to ignore the ones after 10, to be honest. Focus on 10:15. London South Side. That's good. I'm seeing now that I should wait till 10 after 10:15 though. $150, although would not have covered this fair value gap, still would have kept you in the trade, so something. Seeing that that was the first inclination that this trade was gonna fail. Okay. Because 10:15. Because 10:15 seems to be the setups. Continues at 10. London session, sell side taking it. TP3 still hasn't been hit though. TP3 smashed. All right, so post 10:15. That's what it's looking like. It's best time to be in the market. All right. Okay, well for me anyway. Cool. Be a break even now. We'll get to 402. All right, all right, all right, all right. Okay. Okay. So we're in that 15 minutes. Crucial. I'm learning that, you know. It makes a whole lot of difference. Excuse me. We have the remainder of the opening range gap to completely fill it in there. And then below it, we have yesterday's previous daily low, okay, in line with PM session low. I drew that out there for a reason, and I completely ignored it. A minus set up there. Doesn't come in there. Would be potentially coming in there now. Yeah. Market structure shift there. Waiting to see if we get a fair value gap here. I'll be getting back in there. My second bullet. Bullet. Let me go ahead and close this. Look at that 205. Kidding me, man. Shitting me, right? Oh, tagged in there. Trying to fix this. Kilo, take liquidity below it, swing low, displacement back above the kilo, market structure shift, fair value gap there. It takes me out, then I'm done for the day. It's 2 bullets used. Oh, I should have probably reduced the risk here, right? So that's what I would be doing. I probably should have went there, but we're just the one, right? Yeah, already took a loss at 2. There's no need to reduce the risk. Okay. All right, all right, all right, all right. We're tagged in there at 10:39. Right, 3 minutes in this trade now. If you want hit there, now let me see if I kept it out 149, it would have came and took me out. Where was that? You guys remember? I think it was 149. Still would have kept me in there. Oh, so this trade would have been taken out at break even there. Well, yeah, break even. Only hit 302. Just about kept you in there, boy. 150. Came into that order block. Open. If you get that, that's an even better entry, just like that. The entry point is pristine. If you go to the open and said we're not going any further. Just about kept me in that trade 150. Doing his job. Where are we at in risk wise now in this trade? 750. No, doesn't look like we've got too much going on here. No, there's not much of a shift there, but it's again. So does she keep price higher? Get a cup of water in. Oh, I feel like the only way to drink water up in this wishful ditch. Ow, 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 ow. Just missed us at TP2. TP2 smash. Don't panic, just remain calm. We know what we're doing now. We know what we're looking for. We know what we're hunting. That's all that matters. You see it, you take it. If it doesn't work out, don't panic. Wait for the next one. Off risk. These 302s in the cards for this one. Too low, bring low, displace it, market structure shift, fair value gap here. Keep price higher. Not from 50. There it is. Broke even on the day, up just a little bit. Well, 1010, 1,535. At 10, yeah, about 40 something, $45 up on the day. Breaking even there. Took a loss, made it back. But it should keep price higher. So if it fails, we take out this low, then it could be coming to take out these lows. Potentially. Oh, back here on the M5, so up there, the key high, London session high, swing high, displacement, market structure shift, fair value gap here on the M5. Very busy morning though. Busy morning though. Very busy. All right, let's do a trade performance review and then we'll be ending it at 11:10 here today. Got a lot of shit to do. Anyway, what did I do well today? I showed up today. I got 1% better. All right. Learned a lesson about price. Okay. I learned that my better setups happen post 10:15. Okay. Twice this week, I've taken a trade after what following the model, right? After 10. All right. Model set up. Well, yesterday was really shouldn't have because there was news at 10:30, so I shouldn't have taken that one. But anyway, from my experience and from doing this, I'm realizing that the better trades are right form after 10:15. Okay. So I learned something today, so that's good. One of the outcomes for today. Lesson, experience, no monetary anything. 40 bucks when we'll do that. Hey, pay my phone bill or something. But yeah, anyway. But yeah, so that's what I did well today. Showed up, got 1% better. Okay, got gained more experience in price action. All right. Even though it was a very busy, difficult morning, still took a lot out of it. Okay. Where I fell short today Mm, mm, mm. Not completely finishing my morning routine, all right, before showing up at my desk today. Also, where did I fall short today? Didn't take any trades here. This was my first trade, which was a fair trade. There was a fair loss. I'll take that on the chin. 10.15. We got this set up here. Okay, would TP3 would have given and taken our break even there. Okay, then we got this set up here. Oh, did you guys hear that? I know you didn't hear that. Excuse me. Woo, wasn't very ladylike of me, was it? Um, where I fall short today, I was not completely finishing my morning routine. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than chart wise, I think this is fine. Okay. If I'm realizing that the best trade at 10.15, then I'll wait till post 10.15. And if that means missing some of the trades that happen after 10 o'clock, then it means missing some of the trades that happen at 10 o'clock. I can't have it all, I can't have it all. But yeah, so it looks like coming here to take us out at half risk there. We're still in there. It didn't quite take us out yet. Came close to it. Take us out. It's probably gonna come take us out. But how I can improve for next trading day is wake up at a decent hour. I woke up pretty quite late today. Wake up at a decent hour so you can get your morning routine in, girl. All right. I know it sucks waking up early and you'll be tired, but you have to get up. Just get up. All right. Also, take a note. Take a note. That your best trades. All right. So far will happen post 10:15. All right. So the trades that happen after 10 o'clock between this time, 10 o'clock and 10:15. Excuse me. Came close to take us out at half risk, but it didn't take us out there. Okay. Hopefully it heads to TP3 from here. Potential setup here. Taking liquidity below kilo here. Oh, we've got a market structure shift. Let's see if we get a fair value gap confirmed there. 10.15 macro setup. Okay, so it kept us in. So we'll leave that on the side there. It's close, came right. So funny. Kept me in there sick. So yeah, so wake up at a decent hour. Also, best trades form after 10:15. So that's when you should be looking to be getting into trades. Okay, on the demo, it's fine to take these trades during here. All right. But for live, okay, 10:15 is when we'll be looking to anticipate the setup and get inside of the market. All right. So yeah, that will be it for today. We're gonna stay here for another 10 minutes, all right, to 11:10. Let's finish out the 10:50 macro. Okay, like I said, we do have another setup form in here. Let's see if we need a fair value gap. We see up in here, all right, confirm this trade. Doesn't have to come and take it, all right, originally because the trade was here. It just comes back, it came back into this fair value gap, back into this the high that it took, okay, took liquidity, displaced higher, market structure shift. So this is an awesome setup here. This basically should keep price higher to TP3. Just got a little chilly up in here. All right, you will be getting tagged in that trade now, 11 o'clock. If that fair value gap fails, okay, it's not looking very good for this trade. I want to see you not completely fill it in like it's done here. Okay, and run from here. Oh, completely filled it in. Let's see if we get a closure below it. Yeah, close below it now. All right, not looking good for this trade. Take this low, then it's completely done. I'm coming lower. And five right here. And there we go. We'll be getting taken out here, a half risk there. Cool. Until this low goes, this trade is still valid though. For my management, I'll be getting taken out. What a busy morning. Delete that. Leaving with a scratch. Okay, we'll take it. We will take it. We will take it. Tomorrow I won't be here. Okay, I leave today. All right, tomorrow no trading for me. I'll be in the middle of the soccer field on my best behavior, best performance. So we're back here next week. All right, is Santa Claus Day next week. All right, we have Monday, Tuesday, off on Wednesday, back at it on Thursday. Friday looking like there's gonna be no news. All right, so Monday we'll be back here at 9:15, back to our somewhat regular schedule. 8:15 been the thing all week, and it's looking like gonna be the thing all week next week too. Hey, run for your life. All right, so yeah, so next week we're back at it. All right, Monday we have high impact news coming out at 10. All right, so I'll try to get my weekly analysis done on Sunday or during the weekend. If not, I'll get it done quickly Monday because we'll still have opening range and stuff. So we'll have a little bit of time until that news comes out. Okay, so that's it for this week. Another amazing week of price action. Okay, every week. There you go. I said once this low goes, that's it for this trade. It's probably got lower. It's gonna come fill in the opening range gap probably. All right. But this trade would have been taken out at break even. As you can see, it still would be running right. But anyway, it's all good. Taking 3 bites here, and we took 2 bites here. All right. Made back our loss from here. Okay, so it's looking like post 10:15 is when I want to be actually looking to get into the market. All right. So moving forward, post 10:15 is when I'll be looking to get into the market regardless of what's happened here, all right, not my setup. I'm gonna leave these ones alone. I've learned my lesson. All right, so we'll see. I'll keep collecting the data on it. I'll keep collecting on the data on it because but right now it's looking like my best outcome is when I get in post 10:15. So yeah, we'll keep collecting the data for the rest of the remainder of the year and stuff while we're here. And then we'll make a finite decision there. But for now, I'm electing to only look to trade post this. If I see a setup form during this and it's like this, okay, I'm fine to take that. All right, but I understand that No, I don't know the percentage, right? 50-50, right? Right now it's 50-50 for me because I haven't collected enough data on it. But I've seen enough in past action to know that, yeah, only like one or two may actually like panned out, but majority of them that I've seen really have failed and I've witnessed have failed. So let's say 60 failed and 40 made it. All right, so 60% I know I'll be wrong in this getting up in this setup in this time frame. Okay, but I know the post 10:15 is my best time to be getting in. All right, so this is the M5 setup playing out here. Okay, swing high above a key high, London session high. Okay, swing high, displacement, market structure shift back below the key high, fair value gap right there. All right, after the 10:15. Okay, boom, boom. All right, so this is the M5. You beat in the M5 trade here. Let's see what the stuff is looking like. I think 150 would not that. 150. Yeah, 150 would keep you in there. Can you be where you at right now? 302. 302 is smash there. 402. 402 smash there too. All right, 402. All right, so you'd be at half risk already. I mean, break even already. See if 502 is on the cards for this. We'll discuss it next week. One for your live. Hey, hey, hey. Came back above that key. No, I didn't actually. Psych, I thought. But yeah, that was the business for today. Very interesting morning session, okay? Very interesting morning session. But as you can see, post 10:15, we're back above a key high, swing high, displacement, market structure shift back below it. Okay, fair value gap here, fair value gap here. The analyst says elect to go with the first fair value gap. All right, so you would have been tagged in here. 150 would have just about wouldn't have covered this fair value gap, but it would have kept you in the trade, okay, to TP3. All right, break even, you get taken out break even. And once TP3 is hit and you're at break even, we actually get a buy formation form. Key low, London session low, we take liquidity below it, swing low, displacement upside to the upside, market structure shift, fair value gap in here, tagged in here, just 150. 150 just about kept you in there, as we all saw. 150 just about kept you in that trade, okay, to TP2, half risk, and it came to take you out at half risk, right? Made back our money that we lost, okay, in that 10 o'clock, post 10 o'clock trade there. All right, so cool, 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 cool. So 2 bullets, all right, one missed and one hit, all right, made back our money. All right, so TP5 is about to get smashed right here. All right. Yeah, like I was saying, good week of trading. I'm 1% better than I was last week, all right, than I was last month. All right, it's been an amazing week. I've learned a lot this week actually. Yeah, I moving forward, I know I need to so this was a counter trend trade, pro trend trade. Yeah. Like I said, this week I'll be coming up with stricter guidelines for my counter trend trades, okay, when I'm going against my weekly program. All right. It'll just be the management. I'll switch up the management of the trades, okay, but in terms of like the setup will be the same, okay, it will just be the trade management that will be different in terms of pro trend trades and counter trend trades. I'll see. For now, I'll keep it the same, but like, yeah, I would. That's what I would. If anything changes, it will be the management on those two. But yeah, it's been a great week of price action. I feel myself improving every day and every week that I'm in front of these charts, or I'm getting much, much better. And as always, like when I take a loss, I'm in a better mental space now that I don't like rush to get back in the market. I just take the loss. If I followed my model, is a fair loss, and I understand that losses are the only thing promised to traders. All right, I take it on the chin. All right, and I wait for the market to present another opportunity for me to get back into the market. Okay, I'm not in a state where I'm like, oh, the market just took something from me. Let me get back in there and get it back. All right, I'm way past that now. I'm way past that stage. So So I'm seeing improvements in myself, okay? All right, and in my analyst, all right. Just every day we're improving, we're getting 1% better. All right. So I'm proud of myself for sticking out with this journey. As I say every week, I'm very proud of myself that, even though it got hard and it's still hard, it's not easy, all right, but it's getting easier, all right, because now I have a process and a plan and the procedures and protocols that I'm following, all right, and it's just about building the discipline now to follow those rules, all right, and then stick to my plan and my processes. But other than that, it's been an amazing week, all right. I'll be in Sarasota this week, all right, doing a tournament, IMG tournament. I'm gonna be like not assessed, but like there's gonna be like mentors there and like other referee mentors watching me. So I have to be like, proper, I have to be on my best behavior. So I'm excited for it, it's give me another chance to get better at my refereeing skills. Okay, 1% better in everything, you're right. That's my goal. I strive for excellence in everything that I do. And I'm not trying to like be the best in that one day. Okay, just I'm trying to get 1% better. And I hope I learn a lot from this tournament. And I hope the mentors are able to teach me more so I can improve in my game. Because I'm trying to level up in the referee world. Okay, not as far as like go and do like games on FIFA on TV and stuff. I just want to get to the college level, all right. But if the opportunity presents itself to get higher level, I'm always open and willing to do it, all right. But for now, my next stage is to get to college level and just be the best referee that I can be. All right, this is not about refereeing, but hey. Anyway, I'm just rumbling because yeah, I have to go and pack, right? So I'm out. I'm out. Amazing week. Amazing week. I'm excited for next week. Next week is Santa Claus Day. So it's my first Christmas in the market, actually like being in the market, knowing what I'm doing. So it'll be interesting to see how it pans out there and gain that experience moving forward. But yeah, use this weekend to build the life that you want, girl. Don't let up just because you're doing a tournament. Doesn't mean you can't look at the charts. I'm still gonna be back text. I'm gonna take my laptop with me and I'm gonna look throughout the week, all right, and back test the week out and see where watch my journal, daily journal back and see how I can always be improving, okay, and where the setups were. I know where the setups were, but it'd just be good to go back and just look at them again. Okay, so I can kind of gain a perspective on this 10 o'clock and 10:15 thing that I got going on here. All right. I did make a few mistakes this week, all right, that I made last week when I was watching last week's daily journals, and I made the same mistakes this week, and I was like, come on, Alice, you made that mistake last week, now you're making the same mistake this week, and it was trading before the news, right? So I need to get on that, okay? I need to get on that. I can't be making like the same mistakes from previous week to this week, all right? So it has to be, I need some new mistakes. We need some new mistakes, all right? All right, peace out, guys. Happy hunting. See you next week. Enjoy your weekend.